Have you ever dreamed of being the publisher of your own newsletter business? Well, the dream isn't as far-fetched as it may seem. Today, we're going to delve into the steps you need to take to start your own newsletter business. The first step is to identify your niche. It's crucial to choose a topic you're passionate about and have a good understanding of. This could be anything from entrepreneurship to technology to health and wellness, or even something as niche as vintage car restoration. Once you've figured out your niche, the next step is to identify your target audience. Who are the people interested in your topic? What are their needs, and how can your newsletter fulfill them? Understanding your audience will help shape the content of your newsletter. Now, it's time to create your content. This is where your knowledge and passion for your chosen topic come into play. Your content should be engaging, informative, and offer value to your readers. Don't forget to keep it consistent. Consistency not only in the publication schedule, but also in the quality of your content. After your content is ready, you need to choose the right platform to distribute your newsletter. There are several platforms available like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Substack. Choose the one that suits your needs and budget. Next, you need to attract subscribers. This could be done through social media promotion, collaborations with influencers in your niche, offering a freebie for new subscribers, or even through paid advertising. Then comes the most important part, monetizing your newsletter. There are several ways to do this, such as through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or by offering a premium subscription. Lastly, remember to keep track of your progress. Use analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. This will help you tweak your strategy and grow your newsletter business. So, to recap, identify your niche and audience, create engaging and consistent content, choose the right distribution platform, attract subscribers, monetize your newsletter, and track your progress. It's a journey that requires effort and persistence, but the rewards can be immense. Starting a newsletter business may seem daunting, but remember, every successful newsletter started from scratch. So don't let the fear of starting hold you back. Your journey towards becoming a newsletter publisher starts now. In the next video, we'll be discussing how to grow and scale your newsletter business. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until then, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep growing.